Ensemo ya Bosongo, Erietariane, Ndemo Steven.
Omulikito Ndemo Steven asoroboti rwa senchura yobo ikirano gotigana yobona otomulekereri tukoli yalengeri nene ya seri tukeliga abwasaba swati banyara abakonyerwa International Women's Day ya chengerwa ase chinse chionsi asa yobona ni go first lady Rejo Ruto aumerana nabasiba kurwa sechela ya langata abwasa chengana borobo asokonyereri tukeliga basiba boyo kuranse ini go banyara korwa babere bagoetera ekero bagokera asogo chengera asobwa moli tukeli Rejo Ruto kukwana kurwa sensemo ya langata asechera yabasubati ni gate abuna ekero bagochengereri tukeli abasubati na bengencho na baigo babe bakonyorwa.
Pick the lessons that we are learning here, that the day the Lord enables us to leave these gates, we can be different people and we can transform our communities even as we go back to the communities. And I believe that that day is coming. I want to encourage you never to lose hope. We need to be resilient, like our senator has told us. Never look down, never give up, never cry inside that blanket, thinking that life, will not add up to anything. I just want to promise you, I have met your sisters that did cross-stitch and they walked out of this gate one day. I want to say that someday you'll get out of this gate because the prison people have done a good job. So I wish to thank all the stakeholders who have actually participated to make today's event a success. Langata Women Prison Community for your dedication to this partnership. KCB Group, FIDA, who have provided legal clinics